Hello everyone, this little video is actually from the well deck.
Yeah, we're taking the cratch cover off at the moment because I've been cleaning the roof up. So we thought the sun's moved round a bit.
Yeah, it's very warm.
Yeah, so well deck diaries from the well deck. And I do apologise, I'm going to get a comment about wearing my same old t-shirt again.
He does love that t-shirt.
It's getting a bit frayed round the collar, and we was going through some old photos. I'm wearing this in Devon in 2011, 10 years old, and it was from Sainsbury's, so my favourite t-shirt. All it needs is re-upholstering and it'll be as good as new. Anyway, where was we?
Yes, so we've left Harecastle Tunnel and looking forward to Stoke and the sort of history surrounding it with Josiah, Wedgwood potteries and all of that going on. So we are looking forward to that.
We was looking forward to that.
Sorry, we was until fate dealt us
an unexpected blow.
Yeah.
And we're now going to go through Stoke. I think the plan is to cruise all day, get through Stoke. A little bit too busy for our liking to be moored up, mainly because of the dogs, and find somewhere nice the other side. So I think we've probably got a 5-6 hour cruise ahead of us.
Yeah, so I don't know, there might be a few of you already know that I had a bit of a nasty fall. I stepped off of the boat onto the lock landing.
Against my will, I told Deb to stay on the boat, but the boat was moving away from the lock landing. The gap was getting bigger and I could see what was going to happen, and
I did it and I fell on my right leg.
It wasn't so much a fall. I can laugh about it now. Deb suffers with arthritis in her knees, so as the very large gap, as she strode out, put her, I can't remember which leg went down, right but the knee buckled. Took you another 6 steps before you finally, but it was all in slow motion and I just stood there helpless.
But I did do some real damage to my knee.
Yeah.
And obviously down the front of my leg, and due to the neuropathy, the numbness in my feet as well, so it was all a double whammy. But I actually got up, I don't know how I done it, and walked down to the next lock to do the next lock. In tears, I'm bawling my eyes out. I don't know how I done it. I think it was just adrenaline, but when it started coming to, I was thinking, I think I've done something wrong. But to top it all, the next day, I was walking along the towpath and hit a dip in the towpath, and my ankle rung over my shoe. I didn't think nothing of it until that evening.
Deb's in the shower and I get a call, come in here, and
And I said to him, I said I thought it was dirt, but my actual foot had gone black. Like really
swollen up completely.
Really, and I couldn't feel it. It didn't hurt, but it was really badly bruised. And I said to Mark, I'm really worried that I've maybe broken it or fractured it, because with my numbness I can't feel any pain. Yes, so I think we decided to moor for a couple of days at Little Haywood, and just to rest it up. But I was getting really worried because it was really not looking good. So I checked to see if there was an injuries unit or something in the area, and the only thing that there was Stafford Hospital.
Yes, the A&E there.
So we called a taxi and I went to Stafford Hospital A&E
on her own, like a big girl.
Just to get it checked out more than anything.
It was just the worry of what damage you could be doing if it was broken.
Yeah, if I was walking on it and it's broken, it's not a good thing. So, but when I did see the nurse, she actually couldn't believe I didn't have any pain with the amount of bruising and that. But
she was astonished that you were still standing.
Yeah.
And then
told me to walk to the X-ray department, which was sort of a good 5 minutes walk for me anyway. So but that was just a little bit ironic there. But I had the X-ray and got the all clear, so I was fine. She just said rest it and things, so that was great. Which I did. I rested it for a couple of days, and I'm still getting better now. But it's fine.
Well, it's a beautiful day and I'm all on my own. Deb's just got in a taxi, gone off to Stafford County Hospital A&E to get her leg and ankle checked out. She, as you know, she fell over her leg the other day. Now she's twisted her ankle. Her ankle's blown up because of the peripheral neuropathy. She don't know whether she's broken or not, because with the nerve damage she can't feel the pain, so she's off there to get checked up. So I've got these lovely moorings all to myself. I'm going to get the chairs out ready for when she gets back, and we've got, pointy finger, some nice little benches to peer through at the sheep. Yeah, so just typical towpath tucker. I made some skewers earlier. I'll put a picture to go in round about now, and I didn't think they'd actually fit in the barbecue, but luckily they've shrunk down and they've cooked nicely, and we're now about to eat. Let's just double check they're done. Oh yes. Nice to see all the rhododendrons out, Deborah.
Very nice.
Yeah, it's just like boating through Sandringham. Not that we ever boated through Sandringham, because there is no canal through Sandringham, but we used to take the dogs through there most weekends in the summer, and all the rhododendrons would be out like this. Yeah, so after that, Debbie was on light duties. Yes. Wouldn't let her get off the boat. No. Or anything, as much as she wanted to, just didn't want to take the risk.
No.
And I think we cruised on a little bit more and finished up at
Alvacot,
yeah. Yeah, and I went off exploring to Pooley Fields Nature Reserve. And she's only drinking lemonade. It wasn't that fun.
Right.
Yeah, so while Deb rests on the boat, I'm now off to here, Pooley Fields Nature Reserve, to have a look round. Come and join me. totally out of breath. Following this steep hill. You can't really see how steep it is. And I think I'm near the top. I've just seen something. Wow, not sure what it is, but the sun's shining on it right now, and they're going to go up there and take a look. Well, apparently this is the spoil heap from what they dug out when they'd done the mining. Not sure the relevance of the monolith, we'll find out. Well, that was worth the walk up. Oops, walk up there. Nearly showed you how to get down a steep slope rather quickly. Yeah, Deb wouldn't have got up the slope with her stamina levels the way they are at the moment, and her bad knee and ankle. As you know, she fell off the boat the other day. So, well, I will continue my descent and look where I'm putting my feet. Now, if my map reading and navigational skills are any good, just there is the Ashby Canal. Well, that's just past my own personal canal, hasn't it?
Ashby, yes.
Yeah, on my birth certificate, on my hatching label, my surname was Ashby. Mother remarried, hence surname is now Weldeck. And it's not Weldeck. Yeah, so we had plan A was to go down my own private canal, but that will have to wait for another time, won't it? Yeah, because we're on about plan D at the moment. Yeah, which you'll all find out about eventually. Yeah, so can't bring you any footage or any facts. I could bring you some facts about the Ashby Canal had I remembered the facts I read about the Ashby Canal. I know there isn't any locks on it.
His memory's not very good
now.
now.
No, I'll call oldness off of Deb. Yeah, I know there's no locks. I know the winding hole at the end is only good for about a 52-foot boat, something like that.
Oh.
Yeah. So we went down there, we'd have had to go the winding hole one from the end.
Oh.
Yeah, otherwise there'd be a lot of reversing. And that was my trivia for the Ashby Canal. Yeah, so we're still cruising most days, not mooring up for very long as we used to.
No.
And just loving it.
Yeah.
We have a goal of where we want to get to. You'll probably work it out as we go along. And yeah, just loving it.
Yes, absolutely. Leg and all.
Yeah, leg and all, hop along. Yeah. So I think that is about it for this week's video. Just a big thank you to all the new patrons.
Yes, thank you so much.
And what I'm going to start doing now is thanking out the new patrons individually. Get your names back in the credits like we used to. When everything was going on with Deb, when she was going through the treatment, all that went out the window. So massive thank you to all the new patrons who came on board,
and for your understanding in
yeah, I'll get all your names back in the credits and get that up and running again.
Yeah.
But sort of the new supporters over on PayPal and Patreon, we shall give you guys a shout out.
Yeah.
So in the last couple of weeks on board, we've had
Jason Paxson, Gary Beckwith, Chris Holborough and Mike Hedges.
Yeah,
Thank you very
and
much.
over on PayPal,
David and Jenny Island, Jason Paxson, Christine Taylor and Madeline Tan.
yeah, so thank you
Yeah,
very,
thank you
very much
so,
for your
so
support.
much.
That is greatly appreciated.
Yes. And I think that's about it.
Yeah, so as normal, if you enjoyed this little video,
Press the like button,
if you haven't already subscribed,
press the subscribe button,
if you want future notifications of any other videos we upload,
the bell icon.
and keep the comments coming.
Yeah, please keep your comments coming, we love them.
And we'll see you again in a few locks' time.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.